shooting my Remington Model 34 NRA target. I'm using the cheap Federal Champion ammo. Let's see how this thing does today. I changed the rear aperture. Pretty windy today, so I don't expect my score to be real high. That was a 10. That was an 8. That was another 10. And that was a 10. Yeah, I'm getting a pretty good headwind right now. Not a whole lot going left to right. And that looks like it broke the line. I'm going to call that a 10. Nibs would have called that a 10 anyways. Let's see, am I going to have to use the shot locator on that one? I think that was in the 10. You guys will have to tell me. I'll have to review the footage. Pretty big gust of wind there. I'm going to hold off for just a minute or so. Oh, that was a 10. Saw that one. Pretty sure that was a 10 too. Saw it take a piece of that white out of there. And that was an 8. I was going to say this rear aperture seems to be helping. I didn't want to jinx myself though. This might be our last shot. Try to make it count. It's kind of hard to do though in this wind. Yeah, that was a 9. And that was my last shot. Now, this target is kind of proof that you don't need a real fancy high dollar target rifle to shoot this, and you don't need to use real expensive ammo either. Oh, you guys know what that Federal Champion costs at Walmart. So it looks like I got 2 8s 1.9 and the rest are 10s. So that's a 95. I'm going to show the rifle in the range. The old Remington Model 34. It's the NRA target version. That's the original rear sight. And that's the new aperture I put in it. The unique feeding system there. The front sight that I put on there. It's a Lyman 17A. Still has the metal butt plate. I refinished this stock about 7 months ago, I think. Here's the ammo that I was using. And here is the 50-yard range. Thanks for watching.